Hey everyone, hope y'all are doing well. Hope everyone's staying safe out there and staying home for the most part. Um, so, got another pretty cool lock here for you tonight. This is the Mul-T-Lock interactive cam lock. It's actually the same type of lock, same bitting even that I did a couple videos ago out of that multi-space meter. This is for the other door, either the upper or lower, I can't remember which one was which, but the key's the same, the bitting's the same, but I think it's got some different pins in it. This one does tend to be a little harder to pick, so hopefully I'll be able to get it open for you at some point and take it apart, see what the differences are. I think I'm oversetting a pin, that's what's happening. There we go. We're getting there. There it is. Alright. Man, that took forever and a day. Sorry about that. Yeah, anyway, so there it is. We are picked finally. Now let's go ahead and get this thing gutted. Take it apart and see what's inside there. I don't know why all of a sudden I have the southern drawl in my voice. Probably been because I've been watching Netflix. Alright. I need to get that clip off there. now. Get in there. Really don't want to do this without a shim. To be honest, I think that might actually work. Let's see what happens, I guess. All right. That was scary. Okay. Yeah, it's got those ball end inner drivers there. I have to take those apart for you. They're really cool. It's a security driver. Key pin, I'm sorry. Got the key control pins there. Let's see what we can do here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Ouch. So these inner drivers on 1 and 5 have that ball end on them that will get caught up inside of the inner driver pin and cause the core to lock up, which is why this thing has been so incredibly difficult to pick. This has, looks like, all security key pins. I really don't know what that at the bottom there is for, but yeah, not sure, to be honest. Alright, let's get these taken out now. Alright, there's number 1 and the spring. Oh, fell into number 1 slot. That's funny. Oh, half moon drill protection there. And that is a spooled inner driver there. Looks like. I'll verify that in a little bit. Alright, so I think only one of those has that spooled inner driver, but both 1 and 5 have the that ball end inner key pin. This is going to have matching countermilling inside there, which it appears to. That will catch onto that inner driver there. Make this a lot more difficult, but anyway, sorry for the insanely long video. Not really on my game tonight, but does not matter. Still a cool lock, still got it picked, still all good. Alright all, take care, stay safe out there.